Ever notice how some colors just feel calm while others bring the energy? Today we're diving into how color sets the mood and how you can use it to give your project just the right vibe. Hi, I'm Jane, and I'm here today to show you how to shift the energy of your work with just a few color moves. This is day 2 of my Crochet Color Play series, where I share tips and tricks to help you use color with more confidence in your projects. If you'd like to follow along with this series and get the free daily downloads, just sign up below. Each day I'll send you a link to the next video in the series, along with a little freebie that includes a recap of the day's tips. Perfect for building your own color workbook as we go. Just a quick heads up, I'm showing lots of my own projects as examples in this series, some old favorites, some new, and a few that are still in the works. If you're curious about the names of the squares or the projects, you'll see little pop-up labels down here in the lower left corner as we go along. Just a handy little thing in case you want to look them up, and it's nice and subtle so it doesn't get too distracting. I also have tutorials for most of these on my channel, so if you want to try them out yourself, they're there for you. Okay, well, let's get back to it. Today we're exploring one of my favorite ideas, how color tells a story. Not just how your project looks, but how it feels, who we're making it for, and how it reflects a bit of you. Color has this wonderful way of setting the mood, and that mood becomes part of your project's story. Soft, pale shades like dusty pinks, gentle greens, and warm beiges, they bring a gentle, peaceful vibe. Meanwhile, bold colors, think vibrant pinks, fiery oranges, and deep jewel tones, they add energy and spark. It's a bit like the difference between a soft whisper and a bright exclamation mark. Neither is better or worse, it all depends on what mood or story you want your project to share. Color doesn't just set the mood of the piece, it also affects your mood while you're making it. Earlier this year, in the middle of winter, when everything outside felt very white, I found myself drawn to fresh greens and bright watery blues. I guess I was craving the energy of spring and summer, so I started working on my patchwork blanket with this vibrant, refreshing palette that I was truly drawn to, and every time I sat down to crochet, I felt like I was soaking up summer sunshine on my deck. That moment became part of my story. A feel of those sunnier days and a way to bring some brightness indoors. The beautiful thing is your color choices reflect where you are, how you feel, and what you want to say. It's like reading a good book, but you're the one telling the story. It's important to think about who you're making your project for as well, and consider that your colors can also reflect their personality and style. What story do you want this piece to tell? Is it about comfort? Are you looking to make a statement piece? When your colors align with the story and the person, your crochet gains a deeper meaning and a better connection with who you're making it for. Asking yourself these questions turns color choices into more than just picking yarn. It becomes a creative language. So does your project want to speak loud and proud or create a gentle place to relax? You can also blend the two. Start with a calm palette and add a bright pop of color in there as a highlight in your story. The fun part is the experimenting. Here's your color challenge for today. When choosing colors for your project, pause for a moment and notice what you're naturally drawn to and how those colors make you feel. Maybe you're drawn to soft, gentle shades like calming greens, warm off-whites, and cozy beiges. Perhaps you want your piece to feel calm and comforting, like a warm hug. Those colors tell a story of softness, love, and care. Or maybe you're in a bold mood, choosing bright turquoise, fiery orange, or vibrant pinks. You're ready to make something that stands out and sparks a conversation, a true showpiece. That palette speaks of joy, confidence, and vibrancy, and fun. Neither approach is better than the other. They're just different ways to express your creative story. Often the colors you pick say more than words ever could. So before you even swatch, take a moment to ask yourself, what do I want this piece to feel like? What am I in the mood for? What do I want to say about me, about the person it's for, or about the space it will live in? Once you connect with those answers, choosing colors becomes less about rules and more about expression. Let your yarn tell the story. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I hope this inspires you to start tuning into the mood and meaning behind your color choices. Crochet is more than just making things. It's storytelling, and color is one of the most powerful ways to share a story. And remember, if you'd like to follow along with the full series, sign up below and I'll send you a new video each day straight to your inbox, along with a free printable to go with that day's color tip. It's an easy way to stay inspired and build your color confidence one day at a time. I hope this video sparks some ideas on how to use color to set the mood. Join me in tomorrow's video when we're talking about one of color's most underrated tools, neutrals. They do way more than you think, and they might just become your new secret weapon. Play with your palette, follow your curiosity, and above all, have fun with it. I will see you tomorrow in our next video.